Which wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapters are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 3 solid options to help you stay connected while driving. Product number 1, Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. First up, we have the Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Priced at $38, this adapter caught my attention because it claims to convert wired Apple CarPlay to wireless without latency. If you want a hassle-free way to enjoy all your CarPlay features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Gemloose adapter uses advanced 7A microchip technology, which means you get a transmission rate that's about 40% faster than other adapters. This is crucial because it ensures that your navigation and music apps respond quickly without any frustrating delays. Plus, the compact design fits easily into your car's USB port, so it won't clutter your space. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it seems to have gained some traction among buyers. Now, some people complained about connectivity issues during long drives. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it correctly and your car is compatible with wired CarPlay, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. It's designed to keep a stable connection even over rough terrain. This is perfect for you if you want an easy upgrade to wireless CarPlay without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your car doesn't support wired CarPlay, as it won't work for aftermarket units. For $38, it offers solid value for a seamless driving experience. Now, if the concern about potential connectivity issues bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yizro Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Next, let's talk about the Yizro Wireless CarPlay Adapter, priced at $50.53. What grabbed my attention here is its dual functionality for both Apple and Android devices. If you're looking for an adapter that covers all bases, this one is worth a serious look. What sets the Yizro adapter apart is the 3-step plug-and-play setup. You just plug it in, pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. It's compatible with 98% of factory-wired CarPlay vehicles, which means it can likely work with yours. The durable design made from metal and acrylic also provides better heat dissipation than plastic models, ensuring it lasts longer. With a built-in smart chip, it even reconnects automatically every time you start your car, which is super convenient. However, there are a few complaints about the initial setup being a bit tricky for some users. Here's my take: if you're not tech-savvy, it might take a few minutes to get it right, but once you do, you're set for hassle-free connectivity. This adapter is perfect for you if you want a reliable option that works for both iPhone and Android users. Skip it if you're looking for a very budget-friendly option, as it's a bit pricier. But considering the quality and features, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious drivers. Product number 3, MXTech Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Finally, we have the MXTech Wireless CarPlay Adapter, which is the most affordable at just $12.63. It's super compact and designed for those who want to convert wired to wireless CarPlay without spending a fortune. If you're on a tight budget but still want wireless convenience, this is worth a serious look. It promises an instant connection with a 5-second pairing time and a 3-second auto reconnect. This means less fuss and more driving, which is exactly what you need. What's impressive is its 99% vehicle compatibility, so if you drive a Toyota, Honda, or Ford, you're likely covered. But there are a few downsides. It's not suitable for video applications, and some users noted that it doesn't work with all models, especially BMW or Tesla. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for music and navigation, these limitations may not matter much. This is perfect for you if you want a functional and budget-friendly wireless CarPlay solution. Skip this one if you need video support or drive a vehicle that's not compatible with OEM wired CarPlay. For under $13, it's a steal for anyone looking to go wireless without the hefty price tag. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the Gemloose adapter, you get a solid connection at a great price. The Yizro offers dual functionality and ease of use for a bit more money. Finally, the MXTech brings the budget option, perfect for those who want basic wireless access without the bells and whistles. Depending on your needs and budget, there's a solid choice for everyone.